Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair. Many clients Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair. Many clients asking that when you order a JoyCurls curly hair series, how to order the closure and frontal separately, and do we have the same curly for lace closure and lace frontal? Yes, we do. And here you can see this is 334A curly hair. This is 12 inches. Look, one bundle is very full, thick, and this is 16 inches. 334A curl texture, beautiful bouncy, and this is matching 13 by 6 lace frontal. You can see they are matching perfectly. So when you order our JoyCurls hair, not only you have this option for the bundle and extensions, but also we can offer you the matching closure and frontals, and this one is bleached knot 13 by 6 matching curls. So if you ordering this, and you can order the matching closure frontals in the future, and we will offer you the link, and it will be easier for you to purchase them together. So it's 12 inches, 16 inches, and 18 inches frontal. So perfectly matching. And not only 334A, but also 4C texture and 3C and 3A texture. Everything is available. Thank you. Have a good day.